What's up, guys? This is your SUB2000 Quick Start Guide. Let's get started. Inside your box, you will have your Glock 19 magazine, your SUB2000 instruction manual. Please read, get to know all your information. Also covers our lifetime warranty, stickers, and finally, your Gen 3 Glock 19 SUB2000. This is the third generation of your SUB2000. It's a PCC that folds completely in half like this. Take your sub, pull down on the trigger guard, releases the barrel assembly, can rotate to the right or the left. It will lock into your M-lock slots via this tab on the stock, like such. To release, press on your buffer, releases, rotates back open, locks back in. As I said before, this is the Glock 19 model. Those will fit flush, but you can also run a Glock 17 mag, and we have these grip sleeves here that will make it flush fit with the 17 as well. This is in 9mm. We also have this in 5.7, and there's many more calibers and variants to come. Starting from the muzzle end, you have your 16.1-inch threaded barrel. Threads are half 28 for any kind of the cans or comps or anything like that. Monolithic Picatinny rail on top, rail on bottom, 5 M-lock slots running down the right and left-hand side. You have your crossbolt safety here, your magazine release on the thumb side if you're right-handed, your trigger guard for releasing your barrel assembly, your new and upgraded aluminum trigger with the upgraded aluminum spring and pin kit in there. On top, you will have your loaded chamber indicator. So if you have a round in the chamber, you will see the brass through your brass hole. On the bottom, you have your charging handle, which is reciprocating, has cutouts on the left and the right side now for lockback. From there, we go to the stock where you have dual sling loops, a 3-position adjustable, and now new for the Gen 3 is a buffer system on the inside, and on top you have the latch which locks into your M-lock slot when folded. To fold your SUB2000, you will pull down on your trigger guard, which releases your barrel assembly. It will fold up. You can then rotate it to the right or the left. Take the rear tab. It will lock into your M-lock slots on either side. To release your barrel, you will press down on your buffer. The gun will fold open, lock back in, just like that. To charge your SUB2000, you will use your charging handle here on the bottom of the bolt tube. You'll see it has a cutout on the right and left side. So as an ambi charging, you can pull it back, lock to the right, or pull back and lock to the left. For disassembling your sub, you're going to push in on the buffer, which will take the pressure off the pin that's in the stock. Push in on your buffer, give it a wiggle and pull. From there, your buffer can come out, your stock can come off. You're going to take your charging handle, slide it to the rear. Out comes your spring and internal buffer. Charging handle can come out, and from there you can take it and kind of just use it to slide your bolt and bolt carrier out. When cleaning your SUB2000, we recommend using a high-end lube or oil. I'm using gun butter. Take your gun butter, you're going to lube or oil any surface that makes contact or moves inside your SUB2000. To clean your barrel, you're going to open the gun up just like as if you're folding it. Open like that, then you're clear to swab your whole barrel assembly, and you can put it back down, and you are ready for reassembly. For reassembly, it's going to be just the reverse order of the disassembly. You have your bolt and bolt carrier locked together like a puzzle piece. You're going to go into your gun like such. Slides right in. You want to make sure that your charging handle hole is in line with your charging handle slot. So your SUB2000 bolt will often stop right here when inserted. You can take your small screwdriver or punch or your charging handle, put it in your slot. You're going to pick your gun up, and then on a soft surface, you're just going to tap. And as you can see, that dropped your bolt carrier group right to the bottom. From there, you can then insert your charging handle, your spring with your buffer in, then your stock, and your buffer and latch. To reassemble, you're going to have to line up all 3 holes. So put your buffer in, give it tension to where it's flush with the end of the bolt tube, and bring your stock back up. Take your pin, and goes back in just like that. Charge it for function, take it off safe. And that's your SUB2000 Quick Start Guide. Follow us on all the socials and .coms, and see you guys on the next one. Finger guns.